Welcome back, folks. Today, we're making one part pasta, the meal that proves you don't need a fancy kitchen. Just a part, some noodles, and a little bit of common sense, which I barely have. Step 1. Throw it all in. 12 ounces of spaghetti, 1 can of diced tomatoes, half an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and some basil. No need to cook things separately, this is a one-part wonder. It's basically the lazy man's cooking cheat code. Step 2. Seasoning. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you're feeling wild. Season it up like you're pretending you actually know what you're doing. Confidence is half the recipe. Step 3. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. Stir it often, or your noodles will stick together like socks fresh out of the dryer. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. Now think of it as a noodle dance party. Step 4. Cook until most of the water's gone and the pasta is tender. What you want is a nice, thick sauce that clings to the noodles kind of like glitter. Once it's there, it's never truly going away. Step 4. Cook until most of the water's gone and the pasta is tender. What you want is a nice, thick sauce that clings to the noodles kind of like glitter. Once it's there, it's never truly going away. And that's it, 1 part pasta. Easy, delicious, and only 1 part to clean. Which means more time for the important stuff. Like staring at the wall and wondering where your life went wrong. Bon appétit!